In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to run and play multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on one PC. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get into it. So, for whatever reason you want to do this, here's how. If you're currently using the Roblox app, which I am, you'll need to head over to Roblox in a web browser. Make sure you've added your second account as a friend. To do that, click the 3 lines in the top corner and go to Friends. You should see the other account showing up here. Click on that account and press Join at the top. Now, if you haven't already installed the classic Roblox launcher, it's going to download and install automatically. Alternatively, if you're already using the Roblox website, the other option is to download the Roblox app from the Microsoft Store. Just open the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and download the app. Once installed, log in with your other account. Now you can run 2 Roblox accounts at the same time, one in the browser and one in the app. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.